So in this video, I'm doing best time to buy and sell a stock too. You're given an integer array prices where prices at I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. On each day, you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. However, you can sell and buy the stock multiple times on the same day, ensuring you never hold more than one share of the stock. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. Okay, so this part here, you can sell and buy the stock multiple times on the same day. Okay. What does that mean? So you can sell a stock and buy that stock again that same day. But then what is even the purpose of selling the stock if you're just gonna buy it again? So, okay, let me look at some examples. 715. So you buy on day 2, sell on day 3. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's not just about a singular. It's not just about buying on one day and selling on another day. But you can buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell as many times as you want within the amount of days in prices. So, okay. So basically, what you do is you find the lowest price to buy the stock, and then as soon as you get a price that is higher, you then sell the stock. And then again, as soon as you get to a price that's lower, you buy the stock. Or you can also just buy the stock here. And then again, when you get to a price that's higher, you buy the stock. So it's kind of a loop of buying a stock on a certain day and then keep on going. Okay, let me look at some other examples just so I have a better understanding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, it's for buy on day 1, sell on day 2. Okay, well in this case, you just buy on day 1 and sell on day 5. So, okay, so I guess that in this example, okay, so I think I'm just trying to think of a general idea of how you would get that maximum profit. So I think that you keep going until you find the lowest possible day to purchase the stock. Then once you do that, you can simply you then you know that the next value is going to be the highest. You know that the next value is going to be higher than the current value. Otherwise, you would be lower, which means you would keep going. So once you're at the lowest value, once you're at the day that you're buying a stock, you then know that the next day is when you can sell that stock. But you're going to keep on iterating to see if this next day goes any higher. If it doesn't, if the day after this day is lower, then you can sell the stock here. and then you would buy it again here and sell it again here. Because if you, let's say there's a 5 here and like instead of a 3 was a 7 here, then you wouldn't buy or you wouldn't sell the stock at 5 and then buy it again at 5. You would simply skip over 5 and then sell it at 7. So okay, I think I have a general idea of the kind of pattern we see here. So let me go ahead and try to code this out. So we'll say int max profit equals 0. Okay, now we will say int int buy day equals prices at 0, assuming that we're just purchasing it on this day. Now we'll say that while buy day while okay, we'll just say int buy day equals sorry, yeah. Okay, so while and then let's do int car equals 1, so the current day. So while prices is prices is greater than car, prices dot length is greater than car. Or let's just do it like this so it's a bit more easier to understand. While car is smaller than prices dot length, so while the current day is within the like size of prices, so the number of days, if while buy day is greater than prices at car. So for example, this example here, 7 would be buy day, and then this would be prices at car. Then we'll do buy day equals prices at car, and then we'll say car plus plus. Okay, so now after this while loop, we will now have buy day equal to the current shortest or lowest price of the stock. So now we can say that sell day int let's just initialize it here, int sell day. So I can say that sell day is equal to prices at car, which car is now the day right after the buy day. So then you can say while sell day is smaller than, and then we'll do car plus plus. I'll say while sell day is smaller than prices at car, while sell day is smaller than prices at car, then we'll do sell day equals price at car, and then we'll do car plus plus. So after here, I will now have the largest possible day for sell day, such that I haven't yet like found a value that's lower than the previous value. It's just incrementing as far as I can increment. So now that I have this, we simply do where's my profit? Max profit plus equals by day minus sell day minus buy day. So that is the current profit we have received. So now, okay, so yeah, so now, I guess all we have to do is let's initially set car to 0, and let's set buy day equals prices at car initially to 0, and then we'll do car plus plus. Okay, so and then let's just put in here if car, let's put it in here, if car is greater than greater or equal to prices dot length, or we can just say equal to car is equal to prices dot length, meaning it's too big now, then we can return max profit, and then same here. Same here, and then at the end of this while loop we can return max profit. Okay, so let me just walk through what I'm doing here. I think the logic makes sense. So I am initializing my max profit, initializing buy day, sell day. Car is the current variable that I'm on, which equals to 0. While car is smaller than prices.length, I'm setting buy day to first day, and then I'm saying that while buy day is greater than the next day becomes the buy day. So we're basically just changing the buy day until we have the smallest possible first buy day. So with this example, that would put us to here. Then I am setting sell day as the day right after. And then I'm saying that while sell day is smaller than the next day, we get the next day. So in this case, sell day is 5, then sell day is not smaller than the next day, so it would never enter that loop. So now we have buy day is 1, sell day is 5. And then finally we get the max profit. So we add to the max profit. So then 5 minus 1 is 4. So we would add 4 to the profit. And then so now car is at 3. So now when we come back to the loop again, then buy day is going to be set to 3. Car is going to be incremented to 6, and then we just keep on looping through. So the logic I think makes sense to me. So let's go ahead and give it a run. Prices dot length. Oh, just a syntax error. Another syntax error. Okay, let me put this check here as well. I think I'm overdoing it with these checks, but I just want to make sure that we're not getting that index out of bounds exception. So yeah, let's okay, let's do this. Okay, so we have failed a test case. Let's take a look. 1 2 3 4 5, output 0 4. So okay, so in this case 1 should be set as the buy day, and then sell day should be set as 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. I think the problem is that at this point, car buy day equals prices at car plus plus. I think I still need to I think if I just put this line here, sorry, not with buy day, but I think in here, if I put this line here, then even though we have reached this, we are still adding in that last sell day profit, and then we're returning. Okay, so there we go. We passed all the test cases. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a run. Okay, so we obviously have some type of error. Let me just go over, okay, right here. Okay, I think I just need to put the same thing here. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Sorry, this is incorrect. This was not supposed to be here. This was supposed to be here before I enter that while loop. So yeah, let me do this. Okay, we are getting there, but there still seems to be an error. Let me walk through this one here. So we have 1 and 2. Okay, so let's walk through this code. So buy day is going to be prices at 0, so 1. We then increment to 2. So not if, okay, no. While buy day is greater than prices at no. So sell day equals prices at 1, which is 2. Car plus plus. Yeah, we need to do this here because we're getting that same problem where it's not doing that final adding of max profit. So okay, there we go. I think the code is just a bit messy in terms of all of these checks. I'm sure I could remove some of those, but yeah, in terms of logic, I think it's all good, and we have 100% runtime, which is good as well. So that's it.